Do you work more than 40 hours in a work week and wondering if you should be getting paid overtime? That's what this video is designed to address. Not every employee is entitled to overtime under the New York and federal law. There are groups of workers who are categorized as exempt. However, there are a few rules that must be met for an employee to be considered exempt. I'm going to give you the two main rules that apply. The first is that the employee must be paid a salary of a certain amount. And these amounts have been changing and they're different under federal and state law. So if you have questions about the amount of the salary, you should give us a call. However, if you're paid an hourly wage, then you cannot be exempt from the overtime laws. The second main factor is that you have to be working in an exempt category of employment. There are four main exempt categories that employees can fall into. There's something called the outside sales exemption, and this covers employees that work in sales outside of a company. There's the learned professional exemption, and this covers people working in professions that generally require a lot of education, like doctors, lawyers, and accountants. The executive exemption, this applies to people in a management-related position, and there's the administrative exemption. This applies to people who generally work in administrative departments of a company, like accounting, bookkeeping, finance, or human resources. Each of these areas has even more tests and factors that you need to assess in order to determine if you're an exempt employee. So if you're working more than 40 hours in a week regularly and you want to know if you should be getting paid overtime, give us a call for a free wage evaluation.